All right, let's try this purple. Okay, at least there's more space here. You know what I mean? So 2 times 3 is 6, right? Yes. And then x to the 3 times x to the second. So the difference, or the combined, is x to the negative 1. We get 1 times 2 is 2. X squared times 9 is just x squared. Y to the negative 4th. Okay. Let's actually start using the next step as orange. Yeah. So this 6 stays up here. This 2 stays down here. This, well, I'm going to put everything that stays the same, like, down first. So 6 to x squared. This x to the negative 1 comes down here and becomes positive. This y to the negative 4 goes up here and becomes positive. And then I can go back to yellow. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. You have, well, let's go in order, x. So you have 3 x's on the bottom, none on top, so 3 x's on the bottom. You have y, you have 4 y's on the top, none on the bottom. Oh, it wasn't too bad. All right, let's try this. Well, blue. So 1 times 8 is 8. A times A is A squared. B negative 3 times B negative 2. Oh, time. Oh, there's no more. That's a C. So B the negative 3. Or negative third. C the negative second. Over 5 times 4 is 20. B to the second power. And C the negative third. Oops, let's go orange. So we'll leave this the same for now. Or let's write down all this with the C is the same. A to the second. Then we get 20. B to the second. Okay, so these B's come down here. B the third. And these C's come down here, C to the second. These C's move up here and become, we'll go to the third. All right, that's a lot going on. So 8 divided by 20, divided by 2 is 4, divided by 2 is 10. I can do more. Divided by 4 is 2. Divide by 4 is 5. So A to the second, there's only 2 of them on top. B's, there's none on top. There are 5 on the bottom. C, there are 3 on top, 2 on bottom. So there's 1 left over on top. Okay. Ooh. Really doing some stuff. Trying to, at least. Okay. So before we can multiply across, we have to simplify the top, right? So let's do that part and this part. So b to the second to the third. Remember, when exponent and exponent you multiply, so b to the sixth over 3ac to the second times a to the fourth to the second. Remember, we'll multiply, so a to the eighth c over 4c to the negative third. Okay. And then, so now we can multiply across. So a to the eighth b to the 6th c over 3 times 4 is 12. A, and then, okay, A, there's no B's. So C the second, C the negative third, is C the negative first. So let's write everything down that stays first. Over 12. A, C the negative 1 goes, oh, I know why. I use that orange. A to the 8th, B to the 6th, C over 12, A, C goes up there. And then I end up with the 12 on the bottom still. A to the 8th, A on the bottom, A to the 7th on top. B to the 6th on top. And C to the 2nd, right? C and C, yeah. I'm going to write this a little nicer. Okay. Awesome. One more to go. All right, so let's simplify this first. Let's use green again. So we're going to simplify here. And yeah, that's it. So we get 3. So A to the 3rd power is A to the 3rd power. Okay. Make that a little more clear. Okay. B to the 3rd to the 3rd. Remember, shortcut for exponentiating an exponent is multiplying. So 3 times 3 is 9. And I end up with C over, okay, 4B to the negative 1st, C to the 5th, times 2AC to the negative 2nd, over B to the negative 3rd. Okay, and now we can actually multiply across here. 3 times 2 is 6. A to the 3rd times A is A to the 4th. B to the 9th. Okay, so B to the 9th. C times C to the negative. So remember, that's a C to the 1st. So you combine them as a shortcut. So we multiply by C once, we divide by C twice. So 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Oh, that doesn't look right. Let's make that a little bit nicer. That looks huge. Okay, let's put that 1 right there. Okay, so negative 1. So C to the negative 1. All over 4 times 1 is 4. A, nope. B, negative 1, negative 3 is negative 4. And C, the 5th. Okay, so let's do this. If we divide by 2 here, we get 3. Divide by 2, we get here 2. So let me do... Well, you know what? Remember, at this step, I move everything. So 6A4 to the 4th, B the 9th, over 4, C the 5th. So this C to the negative 1 goes down here. This C to the... this B to the negative 4 goes up here. and I end with 6a to the 4th, b to the 13th, over 4 c to the 6th. Oh, cool. Okay. And then divided by 3 is 2. Divided by 2 is 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. There's 4a's on top, none on the bottom. 13b's on the top, none on the bottom. And 6c's on the bottom. I can do this. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay. All right, that's it. Thank you.